Did you know that the rare Noko can evolve? I didn't even realize that was possible. Up until now. Tonight we're going to draw bloominoko from Yokai Watch 2. After a Noko evolves, they become something luckier. They become really rare and transform into something beautiful. This is what helps Noko evolve. This is one of the reasons why Noko evolve. Well, I don't know much about them, but they can be found on ponds and rivers, on lily pads as well. That is so interesting. This is what Bloominoko's yokai medal looks like. That is so interesting. Eleanor wonders why. When will Eleanor get to meet a Bloominoko? And when will we get to see her encounter something really rare? If it's possible for Eleanor to meet a Noko, that'd be a really fascinating discovery. Just like the discovery of a Tengu. And there. There. That is how you draw Bloominoko from Yokai Watch. Let me know what yokai you want me to draw next. I'm always here, and I will not stop until they're all completed. Stag and Sword, see you later. Farewell.